Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be doing another quick tutorial on how to find your 1099. In this case it's going to be here on Charles Schwab. I hope this will be helpful for you as we enter this tax season. So let's get right into it. It's going to be super short and super simple. The first thing that we're going to do is click the statements button at the top of the screen once we've logged into our account. Once we've gone ahead and done that, it's going to pop up this screen that we see right now. Now you can see for me personally, my 1099 is not expected to come in for this year until about halfway through February. I'm recording this at the end of January, but this date of when the 1099 comes in varies a little bit from person to person, from roughly the end of January to the end of February, so it might be a little bit different for you. For the purpose of this video, however, we're going to be using the 2022 1099 that I have. So let's go ahead and get right into that. Now I just went ahead and clicked that link at the bottom of the screen and then scrolled to page number 3 of the 1099, which gives us a nice summary of what happened in our account in this particular year. For me personally in 2022, I don't have a lot of money in this account. I keep almost all of my money in my Roth IRA for Charles Schwab. And B, I didn't sell a single stock this year, meaning the only money that I actually earned came through dividends, and so it was very minimal. But I do appreciate the fact that Charles Schwab provides this nice summary page. It's very short, very concise, and so if you're doing your own taxes by hand, then this would come in handy for sure. You also might have seen on the previous page that there was a super easy download link for the PDF, and so if you do your taxes on, say, TurboTax, which is what I do, that would come in handy, and it's super easy to import, and you don't have to worry about this at all. I hope you did go on to enjoy today's video. If it was helpful, make sure to leave a like down below and leave any comments or questions or video ideas that you might have for us as well while you're down there. But other than that, we'll see you in the next one.